Ikwechegh Magistrate Court has granted bail to a House of Representative member for Abanorth and South constituency in the sum of 500,000 naira and 2 sureties in like sum. In a brief ruling, the presiding judge, Abubakar Said, said the sureties must reside within the court's jurisdiction and provide utility bills as proof of evidence. The charges brought against him include abuse of office, assault, and threat to life. He pleaded not guilty when it was read to him. His counsel thereafter made an oral application for bail, which was granted by the court. The case has been adjourned to November 8, 2024. Recall that the Federal Capital Territory FCT Police Command detained and squeezed Ikwechegh at the Maitama Police Station for allegedly assaulting an e-hailing cab driver, Stephen Ikwechegh, in Abuja, in a now-viral video. Many Nigerians online have demanded justice be served in the matter. The House of Representatives has urged Nigerians to wait for the outcome of the investigation by the police. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates.